everyone, welcome back to my channel. Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and it is Paper Perk Day. It is time for another Paper Perk. We are already at Paper Perk number 59, and I thought we were going to continue with the theme of the papers that we did last week and the week before, the new paper kit that is out. Of course, you can do this with any papers, but this will match all the ephemera, the mini kit for the supporters, and the large kit that was out with the papers that I showed you last time or the week before that. So we have 4 panels here, and what I thought I'm going to make with this is a little booklet. Our Ko-fi supporters this week get another page. Again, this is an extra page that is not on the kit. It's a really beautiful dark backing paper that you can add to your journal or use it anywhere. It is kind of a neutral pattern and neutral color, so it will fit a lot of the projects. So this is for our supporters on Ko-fi, the monthly supporters and the one-off supporters. So I'm going to cut this and show you what I was thinking of making. Okay, so I cut all 4 of the panels, and what I'm going to do now is score them all in the same direction. You can see that when you put them one on top of the other, they have these beautiful borders at the end, so that looks really nice. So we're not going to score on this side where the border is, we're going to score on the other side. So I'm just going to score at about 1/2 inch. That will be good. So we're going to score all of them at 1/2 inch. And then this is going to be the sort of the fold of the pages, and I also printed on the other side. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I did. We're going to ink everything. I did do that because I thought it would look nicer, but of course you can decide that you don't want to and just ink on the other side, or just leave it like that, plain. I am thinking about designing a coffee tea stained paper, so we'll always have something to print on the back of paper that will look like a coffee stained paper, coffee tea stained paper. So I'm thinking about doing that later this year. Let me know if this is something that you would want in the comments. Okay, so what we're going to do next, just align them according to their size. We're going to attach them together. So I'm going to start with the larger one. We're just going to apply glue on the flap here that so my glue is not cooperating. So we're going to apply glue here on the little flap that we just did. And then attach, just align it. Make sure it is aligned. And then I'm starting from the larger piece and then going with the smaller ones until I reach the front with a smaller piece. smaller panel. I didn't ink the edges on the other side, which I should have. But that's okay, we can do it now. So I just ink all the other side, and I thought I'm going to add a little hole here. Just gonna eyeball it. Remember, we already glued it. It's just for like decoration. And I thought I'll just have a little string attached. So we're going to have like a little bow. And then, sorry about the noise. It's not from here. So this is just for decoration. Make it a little bit smaller. And then we can just cut that excess off. And then we can embellish it any way that we want. I've cut some pieces from last week's extra page for the Ko-fi supporters, and some words and phrases from the new paper kit that I showed you. And I also want to use, so I have some leftover. This is from the other side that I've printed it on, and this can be a nice belly band, for example. And I always keep the other pieces, especially if I print on both sides of the paper and I have leftovers, then I can use these to create tags and pockets and things like that. So I think I'm gonna put this on the front. Really like this quote. I think it's by Audrey Hepburn. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. So it doesn't have to be actually for someone like a husband, wife, or spouse. This can be good for also a friend, another relative, daughter, son, so on. So as you can see, I got it wrong again. The other side. I always get so confused, but that's okay. These are the circles. Thought they can be great tuck-ins. You can put this here and then tuck things under. You can cut them in half. As well, and then do something like this, or something like this, or use it like this as a tucking spot. This, I actually like this idea, so I'm just putting glue on the straight side, but not all the way, just this side here. This way I can tuck things under it. So I live in an apartment building, so somebody up there is moving furniture, which is completely crazy. Let's add this tag. That's why you hear all the noise. I can't control this, so I apologize. So you can can actually add the word love here. You can add more words and I can journal here. Let's make a little pocket here for this tag. So just glue on 3 sides, and we can put it here. Wait for it to dry. This can be like a side pocket. So when you make a side pocket, you put the glue on the top, the side, and the bottom. We can add this, oops. Can add this here. And this is the belly band that we can, just gonna eyeball it. And then it's a very pale color, so I just want to ink that. Add some glue on the top and on the bottom. Have this here. Make it straight. Then we can add something underneath. And here we have this extra bit. Like I said, you can always make more tags and journaling spots. This booklet can also be great for a little gift, like if you want to make a coupon holder. Each pocket will be with a coupon. You can add these, and you get the idea of what you can do with this. And another thing that you can do with these panels is just use them individually. Instead of making them into a booklet, you can just attach, these individually to a journal page. So if you have a journal page, for example, first of all, you can add this into a pocket, but you can just take one panel and attach it, and then another panel and attach it, and then you'll have little flaps on your page. And of course you can stack them, you can add them gradually, you can decide, you can add them like this, although this will be in the side, but you can any way that you want. So I really hope you like this little booklet. Don't forget to grab your extra page, this extra page here. Remember, the supporters, Ko-fi supporters page. And I really hope you like this tutorial and that you will go ahead and grab this freebie and make it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. So this is what we made. I really like this. It turned out beautifully. Have the tuck in here and the belly band, and of course you can have many more additions and the side pocket here. So this is a really cute booklet that you can make and embellish any way that you want. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.